A Colorado doctor is revealing a disturbing trend found in our hospitals.
He's seeing an uptick in younger patients needing liver transplants due to excessive drinking. This increase was spotted before the pandemic, but ballooned during lockdowns and added stress. KRDO News Channel 13's Mallory Anderson is in our studio to share the warning from doctors. Mallory.
Heather and Bart, a study by Massachusetts General Hospital says a 1-year increase in Americans' alcohol consumption is estimated to cause 8,000 additional deaths from alcohol-related liver disease and nearly 19,000 cases of liver failure. One Colorado doctor tells me young women are being hit the hardest.
I've been in this business for 2 decades, and I used to take care of, old men who had cirrhosis, and now I take care of young women who have acute alcohol-associated hepatitis.
Dr. James Burton says he's seen Colorado women as young as their early 20s developing liver failure that can only be fixed with a liver transplant.
We used to evaluate, 6 to 7 people per week for transplant, and we're now evaluating 12 to 13 patients a week. 80% of these patients have alcohol-associated liver disease. 50% of the transplants we did last year at the University of Colorado were for alcohol.
This disturbing trend started increasing before COVID, but the anxieties of the pandemic and more time at home made things worse.
The pandemic, in a sense, lit it on fire, and it's become a huge problem.
Oftentimes, physicians can easily tell from your medical labs that you have a drinking problem, so it's best to be honest.
Recognizing how much one's drinking, looking at how it's impacting their life, both their work relationships, their social interactions, work, whether one is, having to have a glass of wine when they get home from work to help them unwind. These should be some signs that maybe alcohol is having an impact.
Being classified as someone who drinks moderate amounts of alcohol is likely much less than you think. Dr. Burton says moderate drinking equals 1 glass a day for women and 2 to 3 for a man. Heavy drinking is any amount over that. In studio, Mallory Anderson, KRDO News Channel 13.